Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stop people from sharing your Facebook posts to their stories. It's a quick and simple privacy setting that can help you control who shares your content. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Icon Settings in the top. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Profile and Tagging. Here you'll find several options that control who can see and interact with your posts. Look for the option that says, Allow others to share your posts to their stories. By default, this might be turned on. Tap it and turn off Allow others to share your posts to their stories. Once you change this setting, people will no longer see the Share to Story option under your posts. And that's it. You've now disabled the ability for others to share your posts to their stories. This gives you more control over how your content is shared across Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.